Enable secure boot in Windows. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this video, I'll show you how to enable secure boot on your Windows step by step. I'll demonstrate the process on Windows 10. Enjoy videos like this? We have more related content on the channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Folks, these secure boot options will help diagnose and fix OS issues like driver failures, software conflicts, or malware. So let me show you some options. To enable secure boot, go to the search bar at the bottom and type misconfig. You'll see the system configuration option appear. Click Run as Administrator. A small window will pop up. Click the second tab at the top, Boot. So down here, you'll activate this secure boot. There are 4 options. Leo, which one should I choose? Let me explain these 4 options, folks. Minimal boots, Windows with only essential services and drivers. Use this to spot issues from recent third-party apps or drivers. Alternate shell boot safe mode with command prompt instead of GUI. It's for advanced diagnosis and repair using commands. This is for advanced users only. Network boot safe mode with services to fix Active Directory errors. The 4th option, current safe boot, loads Windows in safe mode with network support, drives, and essential services. This is ideal for diagnosing issues requiring internet or local network access, like updating drivers or downloading repair tools. You'll choose one of these 4 options. Click Apply and then OK. Next, click Restart to reboot your computer in safe mode. Which option did you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.